need anything. You don't need anything. Okay. Sounds like he's tied up or something.
So my name's Deputy Sloup. I work for the Pinal County Sheriff's Office Traffic Unit. May I see our registration paperwork and current proof of insurance, please? So I'm going to give that to you there. I'm going to let you go. Okay. So, but know that we're out here and that we're looking for people that are being naughty, and you were naughty this morning. So, all right. Well, thank you guys both for wearing your seatbelt. You have a great day. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Just like that. And then guess what? Tom 16, cop traffic. This is called fishing with dynamite, gentlemen. Do you have registration paperwork and insurance? Man, you have a crack on your windshield. Looks like I-10. Thing goes from like Los Angeles to Jacksonville. Would you be surprised if I said the driver of that vehicle does not have a valid driver's license? You ever seen the movie Super Troopers? We're like, you can't pull over anymore. Well, your license can't get any more suspended because it's suspended and revoked. So you can't get any more suspended. She goes, you're like that Frank on Fridays. I'm like, today it's Tuesday with Frank, but you're kind of getting the idea. She's like, all right, I'll obey those laws. I'm like, you should probably try that.
When every second counts, trust ALS Less Lethal, your frontline partner in less lethal defense. From precision-engineered 12-gauge beanbag rounds to advanced crowd control solutions, our gear is built to protect lives and restore order. Whether you're in law enforcement, corrections, or tactical response, ALS delivers the tools and training you need to act decisively without deadly force. Explore our full line of munitions, operational equipment, and training courses at lesslethal.com.
So this road is absolutely notorious for speeding. By the time someone sees me down there, you know, they're a quarter mile away if there's no other vehicles in between us. I mean, I'll get the speed of the next car. I mean, you look at how far that is. It pops up, this guy's doing 54. So if I wanted him, I could pull over and do a U-turn and be waiting for him, and he's still, you know, a good ways away. That guy's getting the criminal one. Yeah. I was like, I'm pretty sure that guy's in our lane. Top 16, come traffic. Don't pass 3 cars. Do the speed limit.
I get you. I get you.
Like it's a, my logic is linear. It should be pretty easy to follow. I'll let you get that. I'll be back. I want him to understand the gravity of the situation, but I'm well within my right legally to take him to jail. Like I said, exceeding 20 miles an hour of the speed limit is considered criminal since you're almost double. That's you're 47 miles an hour of the speed limit, so that leads you a criminal citation. All right, man, drive safe. You got it. So we have a regional team, so it's us, Casa Grande, City of Maricopa, which is up here, City of Eloy. So between all of the agencies, I think as far as operators, we're somewhere in the realm of 30. Depending on the needs of the team or the specific call out, I run a bolt gun, so I'm a sniper on the team.
Okay.
Or whatever, containment, entry, support, whatever the specific, whatever they need. That's kind of what I do. Give her all stuff back. And so if you want to talk to like a real life human instead of reading something on a website, you could do that also.
Okay.
I'm going to give that to you there. Thank you so much. Of course, it's my pleasure.
Have a great day. You stay
Yes, ma'am.
safe.
All my days are great.
I'm sure they are.
Thank you, ma'am. You are free to pull into traffic whenever it's safe. And actually, what I'm going to do is I'll stop traffic because I know I'm blocking your view, and I'll let you know. I'll wave you over, okay? You're welcome. I hear that a lot, and there's all sorts of sayings about if everyone else jumped off a bridge, would you follow them, and all those other things like that.
I probably would, the way things have been going, sir.
I don't. Yep. It is nonstop. It's all the time, all day, all night. There's never a break. It's absolutely endless.